อยากให้เขาบอกถึง opportunity ที่ให้กับไทยเพราะว่าคนไทยก็อยากรู้ว่าการซื้อครั้งนี้แบบเขาได้ประโยชน์จากเด่นแค่ไหน
Well, they asked about the offset policy that we have, and what do you provide in this offset for these contracts?
Well, over time, this first phase will focus on transferring technology and knowledge when it comes to link capability, to connect the different platforms in Thailand, the ships, the airborne early warning, and the Gripen fighter. And to be able to work with that in Thailand from Thai industry or Thai Air Force will be incredibly important to sort of expand that so you can get an even better network-centric warfare. That is truly impressive with Thailand, how you work with that, and I think we can learn from Thailand in Sweden. Then, of course, we have some things connected to MRO and also upgrade of the airborne early warning capability. And then there is sort of educational initiatives to provide competence and have sort of Thai engineers coming to Sweden to learn aerospace and other things in Sweden. And over time, hopefully when the next phases come into play, this can expand even further into green energy and agriculture and design and research centers. So there's a big program in phases going forward.
So in R&D Center, you will take a benefit to the Thai people or the labor in the R&D, or what will you learn or research in Thailand in the R&D Center?
Well, I mean, your engineering capability is really good. We can absolutely use engineering capability in Thailand, and that's why I mentioned the architecture of the aircraft is important because you can develop software and add to your aircraft yourselves. So if you have good software engineers, which I think is the case in Thailand, that could be also something you can do more on your own going forward when you know how to add software to the aircraft. So that's one area that I think is important. Then we might sort of evaluate AI technology in other areas as well, of course, that is important to us. So this is a long-term relationship, of course, with industry.
It will be the big R&D center, one in Southeast Asia or in
We will see. I mean, we have discussions about. I mean, for me, it's if we have a fantastic relationship with Thailand. If there would be other countries that would sort of also go for the Gripen E, of course, Thailand will be extremely important. And let's see what happens in the future, and we can create a bigger hub in Thailand, similar to what we have done in Brazil, for example, on Latin America. So we will see how many countries will actually be interested, and we will develop over time. But I think we have lots of work to do now, apart from delivering the aircrafts, of course.
Okay. So in Thai society, we discussed that that the first time of Gripen that on the performance to be the fighter in the conflict of Thai and Cambodia border, and Thai people want to know that your feedback to your industry is good, or do you have a new customer that want to buy another Gripen because of that performance in Thailand?
Well, the performance of the aircraft, we know, of course, is excellent. And the whole thing is about deterrence and show that you can do self-defense. And if you have to do something and use the aircraft in a conflict, it has to be precision-oriented, do what you need to do. All of these things makes a difference in the marketplace for us. When other countries know that the aircraft is performing, that's good for Saab, and that shows that we are offering something really good in the market. Then all conflicts are not good, of course. Deterrence is important, self-defense is important. Conflicts, the war in Ukraine is a tragedy, all of it. But if you have to use what you have acquired as defense material, it has to be excellent, because then you have to show that it actually creates deterrence, so you can avoid conflicts. That's important.